What's up, guys? Are you guys tired of me unboxing? Well, too damn bad, because we're doing another unboxing video today. Before we get started, I want to draw you guys' attention to my shirt. You can find on my Etsy. Exclusive art done by Lieber Luna of Kiryu Kazuma from the Yakuza series. We also have a matching Majima one. I'll leave the link down below in the description. The unboxing video we're doing today is of a keyboard, a custom keyboard done by a good friend of mine, Doyroi. You can find him around in the Smash community on Twitch. And just like Haga Nezuka made a sword for Tanjiro with his blood, sweat, and tears, Doyroi has crafted this keyboard specifically for me. And if anything happens to it, he's probably gonna kill me. So I'm gonna take care of it to the best of my abilities. And I think this is gonna be the last keyboard I'm ever gonna have. So without further ado, let's get started. Move the chair back. It's huge. Huge box. You don't want to see my feet. My toes. I don't know if toes are against TOS on YouTube, but I know they're against TOS on Twitch. So, alright. Use my trusty push pin. Heavy. Why is this keyboard so heavy? I could knock someone out with this keyboard. Oh my god. Are these extra keys? Comes with a case. Look at this fancy case. Oh my god. Bougie. Handle. See you guys later. Drum roll, please. Oh, we have a ladder. We also have a ladder. Yo! Come up close. Look at this beauty. Good focus. Focus. We got red. Yo, this is. Speaking of Yakuza earlier, this is actually Kiryu's color scheme. Gray suit with the red. Why is it? Oh my god. Ah, this is so cool. So we got. Let's listen. Hold on. These are so silent compared to. Wow. Acrylic keyboard? I didn't even know these existed. Control code. And apparently, ooh, we can light up also. There's the back side. We get to light up. Wow. It lights up. Look at that color. It's red. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get one more close up of the GMK Bushido keycaps on this acrylic keyboard done by Doyroi. I'll go ahead and leave I guess a link to his Twitch in the description. And I'm gonna go play with my new keyboard. Thank you guys again for coming through, checking out my videos. And as always, if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, like, comment, and click that bell if you want notifications of when I do more unboxing videos, or Smash, or Demon Slayer, or anything that I decide to put up on here. So Until next time, peace, guys.